Hey everyone! I'd like to talk to you today about a great ZenFone 5 feature that I really love. This time, I'd like to talk to you about the smart screen on and the auto color temperature. The AI display knows exactly what you're doing and is aware of your surroundings. The ZenFone 5's AI display is a smart screen that knows when you need it. Simply by looking at the screen can make the display turn on instantaneously. Being able to see everything clearly is key under any circumstance. By using a sensor to intelligently detect ambient light, the ZenFone 5 is able to adjust the color temperature of its display for maximum legibility. This and more awesome features can be found on the new ZenFone 5. Be sure to check them all out. Thanks for watching.